incorporating existing furniture and pulling together with a whole new interior look in this condo home at Tapestry. Making sure all of the design elements matches well, we have combined different elements, played along with colors, shapes and lighting to create emphasis within the space. We have also designed many built-in display shelves throughout the house for the homeowners to display their collection. All of the curtains and smart lights can be controlled by Google, as well as the lighting can be easily dimmed. When it comes to a small bedroom, creating more functional space that complements with the layout is important. Making more of tiny bedroom with practical storage alongside with the bedroom's door, while sprucing up a darker contrast on the wardrobe door. The bathrooms are designed as handicap-friendly with an easy access shower and WC area with warm baths.